Today I'm going to show you how to tie a mottled collar pheasant tail nymph, a subtle lifelike twist on a classic nymph. It's quick, effective and perfect for picky trout, so stick around because this variation might become your new go-to fly.
Let me know in the comments below which pheasant tail is your favorite to fish with.
Stick the wire in between the bead here, and we pull the wire to the side of the hook shank. That's because the tail of the fibers are not going to be bent. So the next step is to put the tailing fibers on basically. It is rain-on feathers that are not so long compared to other feathers, and the color combinations are exceptional for nymphs because of the mottled colors as we just spoke about. So we want to have a perfect length, so we are going to tie them in on the side and on top. So we do one lap, and when we do the next lap they are perfectly aligned on the top. We're just going to make them shorter, so we adjust the fibers length here on the back, and I think that's good. So we will keep tying the tailing material in all the way to the front just to build a little bit thicker body, and also the bead will be better secured. I think this is perfect, so we are cutting the material off. Just a few laps around the bead, and we go back with close wraps so the body is even, because it's kind of important to have a slim segmented body when you're doing a small, very slim nymph basically. You don't want to have too much bulk, and you want to have an even body. So we're using golden pheasant tail, which makes the color amazing actually. It makes it very mottled and very natural looking. So we are tying it in on the side, and we will tie it in close to the tailing fibers. And we go to the front like that, and we're cutting the excess off here. Just a few more wraps. This material is going to be removed when we do the segmentation. So now we just do carefully segmentations here. We go around the hook, and then we just go all the way to the front like this. As you can see, the color is amazing on the fly with these black golden dots. We secure it with one wrap and another one, and then we pull a little bit and we cut the excess off here. And we go the opposite way from the thread with the wire, because the fly will be so much more durable then. We just do a few laps around the hook, and we secure the thread here, the wire, pull a little bit, and then we will just do the helicopter. You take the wire and you go back and forth until it snips off basically. And then we will use just a tiny bit of ice dubbing in peacock color, just to get a little bit of a shine to the fly. Basically just 3-4 laps around the bead and pull a little bit, and we do the whip finish, and the fly is actually done. It takes just a few minutes and you have this banger of a fly. Thank you for watching.